You have to press number 3.
Or press 5. Press 5.
Yeah.
No, you already pressed 5.
No, I did number 3.
Okay, we're at number 5. Okay, get out.
Get out, get out, get out, get out.
Okay. Press that one over there.
That one.
Yeah. Can you reach it? Get it. You want to do this one over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Reach. It's okay. Let it, he can reach it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You did it.
What number does it say up at the top?
Number 2.
Okay, what number does it say now?
Number 5.
Okay, what number?
Number 1.
Okay, number 1. Close the door.
That one.
Yeah.
Good job.
There.
No, only 1. We're here.
Here.
Go up.
Okay, press the elevator again. Let's go home. What number are we on?
Number 3.
Here, press it. Press up.
4 we need to go to.
Okay.
That one.
What number does it say up at the top? What number? Up there. Look.
Number 2.
Oh no, over here. Why don't you try this one? Look.